Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into another hands-on digital forensics project. Let's get started. First, we'll open OSForensics. If you see a user account control message, click OK or Yes. In the OSForensics message box, select Continue using trial version. Now let's set up our case. Click Start in the left panel if it's not already selected. Then in the right panel, click Create Case. In the New Case dialog box, enter your name in the Investigator field. For the case name, type M57 Terry USB Investigation. Fill in your contact details and organization, then click Investigate Disk from another machine. Next, choose Custom Location for the case folder. Click Browse in the lower right, navigate to your work folder, select it, and click OK twice. This brings up the Manage Case window. Now we need to add Terry's USB drive image. Click Add Device to open the Select Device to Add dialog box. Choose Image File, then click Browse. Navigate to your folder containing the forensic images, select the file labeled Terry USB Image, and click Open. A message box will ask which partition to use. Leave the default setting to use the entire image file, then click OK. Click OK again to close the device selection window. Next, click Terry USB Image in the lower right, then select Open to launch the file system browser. To begin our search, click the file name search icon in the file system browser or in the left panel of the main OSForensics window. In the search string box, type kitty. On the far right, click search. Notice that no suspicious files containing kitty are found on Terry's USB drive. Let's index the drive for a more thorough investigation. Click Create Index in the left panel. If necessary, click New Index if previous results are displayed. In step 1 of 5, select Use Predefined File Types, check all file types, and click Next. In step 2 of 5, remove any unrelated USB images from the list if needed. Then click Add, select Terry USB Image, click OK, and proceed to the next step. In step 3 of 5, enter Index All File Types in the Index title box, then click Start Indexing. This process may take up to an hour. Once it's finished, click OK in the confirmation message box. Now, let's review the log for any errors. Click Open Log in the lower right, examine the log details, and note any issues. Once reviewed, close the log window. To analyze the contents, click Manage Case in the left panel. Under Devices in the lower right pane, double-click Terry's USB. Open any text or image files and examine them for relevant information. When finished, scroll to the bottom of the left panel and click Exit. Finally, write a 1 to 2 page report on the significance of the files examined. Consider how they might impact a patent case. Once complete, exit OSForensics. And that's it. We've successfully analyzed a USB drive for forensic evidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.